Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Beria College's PNAT online lectures. I am Salima Raza, your chemistry teacher, class 10 Federal Board. The chapter is Acids, Bases and Salt. Dear student, it is our second lecture of chapter 10. Topic: Concepts of acid and bases, theories of acids and bases, Arrhenius concept of acid and bases, Bronsted concept of acids and bases, and Lewis concept of acid and bases will be discussed. Learning objectives. At the end of this topic, students will be able to understand Arrhenius concept of acid and bases, Bronsted concept of acid and bases, and Lewis concept of acids and bases. Dear students, as I told you in my last lecture that you frequently use acids and bases in your daily life. For examples, vinegar, lemon juice, apple and tomato we use in our kitchens. Bases like soap, liquid soap and toothpaste in our bathrooms. In this chapter, you will learn some of chemistry of acids and bases. Here we see first theory of acids and bases. Dear students, look at the definition. This theory proposed by Swedish chemist Sven Arrhenius in 1887. According to this theory, an acid is a substance that ionizes in water to produce HI, and a base is a substance that ionizes in water to produce OHI. In given example, HCl ionizes to produce HI and behaves like an acid, while KOH ionizes to produce OHI and behaves like a base. Dear students, Arrhenius theory has its limitation. It does not explain why compounds such as carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide are acid and substances like NH3 or ammonia are base. There is no HI in carbon dioxide and OHI in ammonia. So Bronsted proposed another theory to overcome the defects of Arrhenius theory. According to this theory, an acid is a proton donor and a base is a proton acceptor. In given example, water molecule produces a proton and behaves like an acid, while ammonia accepts this proton and behaves like a base. So we can say, according to this theory, acid is a proton donor and a base is a proton acceptor. Some substances like BF3 behave as an acid, although they do not have ability to donate or accept proton. Nature of substances cannot be explained by Arrhenius or Bronsted theory. So Lewis proposed another theory according to which acid is a substance that can accept a pair of electrons to form a coordinate covalent bond, while a base is a substance that can donate a pair of electrons to form coordinate covalent bond. In given example, you can see that ammonia has a lone pair on N atom, so it is electron pair donor, while boron in BF3 has incomplete octet, so it needs electron pair to complete its octet. Hence, BF3 is an electron pair acceptor or Lewis acid. Home task. Students, now I am giving you home task. Do self-assessment exercise 10.1, do self-assessment exercise 10.2 and do part number 2, 3, 4 and 5 of review question number 2 of your book. Dear students, today my topic is completed. We will meet in our next lecture. Allah Hafiz and thank you.